Wow. So after a couple of holiday weeks off, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and allowing me the privilege of being on your device with this broadcast. Hi, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to another episode of a No Frills video, the first one for 2025. How's everybody doing? It is my utmost hope and prayer that everyone listening had a wonderful holiday 2024. Now we're back to business officially today. Back with my No Frills Monday through Friday. For those who are brand new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. If you've been here a while, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate every single one of you, even if you stopped by just one time. Thank you so much. I am humbled and I am honored. During these past few days, I had an opportunity to check out some simple recipes. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And you know what? Simple means less ingredients, less effort and time. And at the end of the day, usually less cost. Now, I don't know about you, but I enjoy a good fried rice. Now, fried rice can go from the very, very basic, which I'm going to mention today, to the more extravagant. What I love about that is that it is customizable to your current budget or your taste or your mood. Okay. And I learned a thing or two about fried rice. For example, did you know that the best kind of rice to use when you're making homemade fried rice, it turns out to be jasmine rice? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just thought I'd mention it. So I just happened to look up on purpose the most easiest way to make fried rice and the most basic one of all. Okay, for example, one of my personal favorites happens to be egg fried rice. Yeah, yeah, yeah. This is going to be affordable for practically 100% of the folks listening to this broadcast if you happen to like fried rice. And if you want something that's pretty much quick and easy, affordable, makes you feel good when you're eating it because you're enjoying it, then this is the rice for you. This is the easiest way, the easiest method that I have ever in my life seen to put a fried rice together. Now, you're not going to get to see me do it, but I'm going to hook up in the description box below the video, the exact video that told me I must share this video. I must show you. So the channel name is called this. Let me make sure that I have the name correct. Aaron and Claire. That is the channel name, and he will walk you, or Aaron will walk you through. I'm assuming that's Aaron, will walk you through the video step by step. I was just like really shocked and amazed to know the ease and simplicity of making the egg fried rice. Now, I was taught a different method, but I 1000% much prefer this method. This means that anybody, and I mean anybody, listening to this broadcast can put together. And if money is tight, okay, we know that egg prices fluctuate. We know that rice, thankfully, is still at a great, in my opinion, pretty much of a bargain. So it's like a little bit of a flip flop. But at the end of the day, you still get a decent value of protein coming from the eggs. Okay. So this is a nice hot filling meal, or you can use it as a side if you prefer. Me, I'd rather use it as the main course because it stretches more bang for my dollar. So I strongly encourage anyone that has a moment to listen to this, to view, actually, to watch step by step. It is so easy, and the gentleman really shows a simple method to doing it. This is what I like, the ease and simplicity, not to mention the lower cost, and not to mention it looks like it's going to be delish. Now, I haven't tried it yet, but I intend to make it in the not so distant future, and I will eventually let you know how I believe it turned out. So I'm so glad to be back. I hope everybody's doing well. Of course, from the bottom of my heart to the bottom of your hearts, hopefully, wishing you an amazing, fantastic 2025. And this week, most of the theme I'm going to pick out some really interesting videos for different purposes. Thanks so much for being here. I really do appreciate everybody's time. And don't forget to come back this afternoon at 2 o'clock for my longer form content. Please don't forget to click like, share, and very importantly, subscribe. Thank you.